Here we have a Duoro DS-2 rotator controller. This particular version is for controlling the CD45 rotators, 44 and 45 rotators from high gain and CDE. The two version has left to right and lock action in the direction switch. This direction switch comes from an imitator controller, so left or right and lift. The direction display or panel meter is from a KR400 standard controller with a standard illuminated power switch. On the back we have a 8-pin cinch socket. We have normal calibrate for calibration. We have the meter adjust and an ISC socket and an earth bolt, and underneath the labels there's a remote socket for different version controllers. When we pop the lid off, yeah, I've got two transformers in this one. There's other configurations of transformers that I use. So you can see the back there, all the internals of the cabling and whatnot, all sort of laid out fairly neatly. You can see the back of the panel meter, the PC board. This one I've done up myself. There it is there. This is a standard board that I've made, and it has the power supply for the LED illumination on it as well. So there we go, there's that one there. The switches you can see down the bottom in here, there's a switch assembly for the direction. Now there is other versions of this. They either use the create switch, this one here, or here is the other version of controller I'm doing. This one has push button, illuminated push buttons on it. So it's just another version. This will be a DS3 when it gets done. And again, very similar in the back, it's all the same. So yeah, it's a DS3. So go back to the DS2. The DS2, put it away here, and the DS3 all have a stainless steel chassis in the ABS box. Now this chassis has been computer folded. I'll start that again. It's computer folded after being laser cut, and yeah, it's etched on the back here. We just see the etching. If you get the light in the right direction, there we go. You can see the etching for the labels, all done by laser. So this is what's actually within inside that. It's just the chassis I got made to mount all the internals onto. So that's what the chassis is now. So there we go. So yeah, this is the this version, and you can probably see up in there. You can probably see the LED illumination up the top there, whatever. I'll put flare it up there. Yeah, you can see up there somewhere there's the LEDs sitting in there, shines down nicely. Yeah, there's two transformers, one for the meter and one for the meter there, and this one's for the drive for the rotator. So yeah, there we go. Well, there you are. There's a brief run through of the DS2 and a DS3 as well, rotator controllers. So there you go. Thank you very much. Catch you later.